Hey guys, how's it going? I'm excited because this is George. Come here, buddy. You okay? Yeah? Okay. We're going to be doing a quick Lurella unboxing. If you don't know what that is a subscription box as well. It is $29.99 a month. Hi. You are so dirty. No. It's eye stuff. Don't touch it. Oh. Okay, so this is a Lurella unboxing. I've already opened it because I was like very curious why the box is so big. It's water. And I was very curious. So I kind of know exactly what's already in it. It's deodorant. And oh, baby. It's deodorant. Yeah, it's deodorant. Eventually you're gonna have to have that. Yeah. That's makeup stuff. That's mommy's girly stuff. He's so cute. All right, my dude. Hold on. Hey, do you want that?
Yeah.
Here. Oh, careful, baby.
I want that one.
No. Okay. So this is literally how big it is. It's like bigger than my face. Normally it's really not that big. But like it is huge, you guys. So if you guys have never subscribed to Unique before, or not Unique, but Lurella before, it is a $29.99 a month subscription box. Now they are a subscription. They also have a company. You're fine. He has been so whiny. So it comes with like a head towel, or like, I don't know what you want to call that. It's like a towel. Now I tried looking for like the card for it, but I couldn't find it. So yeah, and then here is, oh, this is the head towel. This is the head towel. George, what's wrong? Okay, you're gonna be fine. Here's the Lurella bag that came with the towel. George, what is it? Your what? Your garbage truck, where is it?
No.
You'll be fine.
No.
George, mommy's busy. What do you need? You got your chicken nuggets. Your garbage truck is out there somewhere. I don't know where it's at because it's not my responsibility. What? Okay. All right, and then I'm not worried about it, George. Here is the birthday palette that they have. They have a lot of like glitter like eyeshadows. Now I don't like glitter. Like I'm not a glitter fan, but literally this is, and I'm also not a big fan of their pressed glitters either. Like I'm not a big fan at all. But I don't know. I'll give it a try again, but I'm not a big fan. But this is the Lurella Fam birthday palette that they have. This is like full out pink. And I like it. I do. And I'm excited to give it a try, but like it's not I'm excited eyeshadow palette at all. I got some brushes. Sorry if you guys were offended on how I talked to George, but granted, he has been like this a lot. So I got some eye brushes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 eye brushes. That's exciting. I like their brushes are top notch too. They're really nice. So here are their brushes. I will do like an entire look with this box. Granted, now I did not get a lot of like makeup products. Well, I mean I did, but not a lot. Not a good amount, but it's whatever. I got some lashes in the name Eva. What are you doing, buddy? Eva? These are, some of their lashes are pretty dramatic. And I got also some, ooh, this is a lip liner. Oh, thank God. At least it's not like a liquid liner. I'm not a big fan of a lot of liquid liners here either, because I feel like the way I do it, it just turns out wrong, and then I want to like remove it. But they're lip liners. I have not tried a lot of their lip liners though, but I did, this is a darker shade. That's a pretty brown, it's right there. That's really nice. I'm excited to give that a try. And then also, this is a liquid shadow. Now, I don't have many subscription boxes. What is it? I don't have a lot of liquid shadows or a lot of other companies, just because I am mostly just doing Unique. But every now and again I will go in and get, I will never cancel Lurella. That's the one thing I will not do. I love the Lurella products. So freaking nice. Oh, look at how pretty this liquid shadow is. Oh my gosh. Holy moly. Look how pretty that is, right? So I'm definitely going to do a whole try on these products. I'm excited. I'm excited. I cannot wait to give these a try. So, all in all, like, this is our July box right here. And this box, I mean, it's not bad. I don't know if I would really like these things, but it's whatever. It's whatever. But I'm excited to give this stuff a try. I'm definitely going to. I'm going to put it on my try on part right through here, and then you will see a live on that. But if you guys have questions, just comment below. I do not have a code through Lurella, which, I mean, I'm fine with. It's okay. But I know that there are some people that do have they do have codes for Lurella, so it could easily just work for those. But I hope you all have a good day, and I'll see y'all soon. Bye, guys.